Hey guys, before we jump in, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, so you never miss life-saving car tips that protect your engine and your wallet. Seriously, these are small habits most drivers ignore, but they can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know how to refuel like a pro and avoid common mistakes that even experienced drivers make. Never do this before refueling. 90% get it wrong. Before you reach for the gas pump again, pause. Most drivers unknowingly follow routines that quietly destroy their fuel systems, damage sensors, and even increase the risk of a fuel vapor explosion. Shockingly, over 90% of drivers repeat the same mistakes weekly, thinking they're saving time or protecting their engines, but in reality, they're cutting its lifespan by tens of thousands of miles. A former Shell engineer called this the most common and costly error at gas stations. In this video, I'll reveal exactly what you should never do before refueling, the hidden science behind why it harms your engine, and the correct fueling habits top mechanics and fuel chemists swear by. Stick around, because the final tip could literally prevent your car from catching fire at the pump. Mistake number 1. Leaving the engine running while refueling. It might seem obvious, but NFPA statistics show nearly 1 in 10 drivers refuels with the engine still running. Gasoline vapors are heavier than air, and they linger around the pump nozzle. With the engine running, the alternator, cooling fan, and ignition system produce tiny sparks and heat that can ignite those vapors in the right conditions. Modern cars with evap purge systems make it worse. Vapors can be sucked into the intake mid-fill, causing a rough idle, misfire, or even a stall after refueling. What to do instead? Always turn off your engine completely before pumping gas. Wait at least 10 seconds before removing the cap to allow vapors to settle. Don't leave the ignition in accessory mode. Even that powers fuel sensors that can be affected by vapor flow. Following this simple step not only prevents fire, but also protects your injectors, charcoal canister, and oxygen sensors from contamination. Think of it as a tiny habit that saves thousands in potential repairs. Mistake number 2. Topping off the tank after the pump clicks. Many drivers assume that a few extra drops after the pump clicks is harmless, but topping off damages your evap system. Modern cars, since 1996, use charcoal canisters to trap fuel vapors and keep them from escaping into the atmosphere. Overfilling forces liquid gasoline into the canister, clogging it and preventing proper circulation. The result? Check engine lights, fuel trim errors, and poor idle quality. Replacing a ruined canister can cost anywhere from $500 to $200. Most dealerships won't warranty a damaged canister if they detect overfilling. Solution: stop immediately when the pump clicks. That sound is triggered by a vacuum sensor detecting full tank pressure. Anything beyond that pushes liquid fuel where only vapor should be, harming your evap system. Remember, that tiny click could save you hundreds in repairs. Mistake number 3. Opening the gas cap too quickly. Twisting and opening seems simple, but if your car has been sitting or driven in hot conditions, the tank is pressurized. Opening the cap too fast can force vaporized fuel into your evap lines or even at your face. This sudden pressure change can also confuse your tank pressure sensor, causing false evapy leak codes. Correct method: slowly twist the cap counterclockwise until you hear a faint hiss. Wait 2-3 seconds for pressure to normalize, then remove the cap completely. This is exactly how professional mechanics and fuel chemists handle test vehicles. Small actions like this prevent sensor errors, unnecessary check engine lights, and potential fuel exposure hazards. Mistake number 4. Refueling while using your phone. We've all seen the no cell phones warning signs, but it's not about the signal. It's about static electricity. Handling a phone can build static, especially in dry climates or with synthetic clothing. Combined with gasoline vapors and a metal nozzle, this can create a spark capable of igniting fumes. According to the Petroleum Equipment Institute, from 2000 to 2022, over 150 static-related gas station fires were reported. Nearly all involved drivers who touched their phones. Person sliding back into the seat. What to do instead? Leave your phone in the car. Always touch a metal part of your vehicle before handling the nozzle to safely discharge static. If you must use the phone, Step away from the pump first. Even small static sparks can confuse Kian sensors, disrupting evap purge and fuel trim readings mid-fill. This tiny habit prevents both fires and hidden engine issues. Mistake number 5. Ignoring the fuel grade label. Not all 87 fuels are created equal. Using the wrong octane or ethanol blend can quietly damage injectors and fuel pumps over time. High-performance engines designed for 91+ octane rely on NOx sensors to prevent pre-ignition. Feeding them low-grade 87 fuel forces the ECU to pull timing, reducing power and leaving carbon deposits on pistons. Conversely, using premium in engines designed for regular won't improve performance and may worsen fuel atomization, leading to rough idling. Ethanol content matters too. E10 is generally fine, but E15 or E85 can dry out rubber seals and injectors in cars not designed for it. Rule of thumb: follow your fuel cap or owner's manual. Avoid mixing octane levels. For long-term storage, use non-ethanol or stabilized fuel to prevent varnish and gumming. Octane isn't about power, it's about resistance to premature combustion. Wrong grade means your car is constantly correcting itself, silently killing long-term performance. Mistake number 6. Running on empty before refueling. Letting the fuel gauge dip below E might seem like saving money, but it starves the fuel pump, which relies on fuel for cooling and lubrication. Driving on near-empty tanks exposes the pump to air pockets, causing overheating and wear. Bosch reports that running below a quarter tank regularly increases pump wear by over 60%. Replacement cost can range from $600 to $1,300. What to do instead? Refuel when the gauge hits a quarter tank. In summer, this prevents vapor lock. In winter, it prevents condensation buildup. This keeps your pump cool, injectors lubricated, and wallet safe. It's a small habit that pays off big over time. Mistake number 7. Refueling immediately after a tanker delivery. Many think fresh fuel is best, but tanker trucks stir up sediment, water, and rust in underground storage tanks. Pumping immediately after delivery pulls these contaminants into your tank, filters, and injectors. The Automotive Petroleum Institute found engines refueled within 2 hours of delivery showed a 27% higher particle contamination rate. Safe rule: wait 4 to 6 hours after a tanker fills the station, or use stations with modern filtration and high turnover, like busy freeway stops. Clean fuel is about timing, not price. Mistake number 8. Using additives incorrectly before filling up. Fuel system cleaners and octane boosters work best when they mix with existing fuel during driving. Adding them immediately before refueling causes foaming, uneven distribution, and may even form sludge. Best practice: add the additive just before your next drive. Let it circulate naturally as you drive to activate its cleaning properties. Choose proven brands like Chevron Techron, BG44K, or Liqui Moly, not random station bottles. Even a $10 mistake here can shorten injector life or clog high-pressure rails in direct injection engines. Mistake number 9. Parking incorrectly at the pump. The fuel filler neck has a vent tube to allow air to escape while fueling. If your fuel cap sits higher than the tank, air can get trapped, causing the automatic shutoff to click early. You end up paying for air instead of fuel. Fix park so the fuel cap is level or slightly lower than the opposite side. Avoid slanted pumps. Professional drivers and fleet operators know this trick to squeeze extra mileage from every tank. Mistake number 10. Not tightening the gas cap properly. A loose or poorly sealed cap lets oxygen enter the system, triggering evap pressure warnings and wasting fuel. Tighten until you hear at least 3 clicks. For capless systems, keep the flap clean. Replace every 5 years or 60,000 miles. This simple step saves you from unnecessary diagnostic bills. Bonus tip: don't rely solely on the distance to empty meter. Treat the $14 tank mark as your empty. Running too close to zero forces your car to pull air, sediment, and water from the bottom of the tank. The dirtiest, most damaging fuel your car will ever use. Follow these 10 fueling habits, and you'll not only extend the life of your engine and fuel system, but also save hundreds, even thousands of dollars over the life of your car. Small adjustments like shutting off the engine, not topping off, waiting after tanker deliveries, and using the correct fuel grade may seem minor, but they make a huge difference in performance, safety, and long-term reliability.